Finally, the time has come for my first swim in the third largest lake in Sweden this year. This is Lake Mälaren, and the capital city of Sweden, Stockholm, is on the Lake Mälaren on the west side, and then the Baltic Sea on the east side, and the waters collide right in the middle of the center of the city at Slussen. And I live actually very close to this lake, but I don't usually go to this side as there is not so much nature. There are more buildings here, as this is here along the red line and right very close to the lake itself, and there are lots of houses and lots of buildings as well. Not so much nature. Well, this is nature if you can count it as such. And this is on the west side, so it has a beautiful sunset here. And I have been here once last year, maybe. And we can see on the other side that Solvik spotted a beach located close to Alvik area. The area is called Bromma, and Alvik is one of the stations for the metro, and the beach I see from here is completely empty. And there is now even a ferry that is passing by. I think this ferry goes to Ekerö. It's part of Göteborg here in Stockholm. Some people can travel on their way to work or the city by boat. That is when you live in a city that's on water everywhere. Today is 30th of May 2025, so we're gonna say goodbye to May very soon. And it is 70 degrees Celsius in the air, and we have sun, but it was mostly cloudy day today, so I decided to wait to come here at almost at 6 p.m. it is now. And the most beautiful sun is here. The day is so long, it gets dark at like 11 p.m. So that means that you get a lot of time to explore and to enjoy. And I'm gonna check out the temperature in the water now as well, as I have never taken a swim in Mälaren this year before. It's gonna be challenging for me to measure that, I see now. But I will do my best indeed. And now they're gonna come some waves also as well from the passing boat. As a measure, I'm gonna let you enjoy the scenery. We can see even from downtown here and Torresing and Parkville. And now the waves come. And the moment of truth, it is just 13 degrees Celsius in Lake Mälaren, which is acceptable, I think, as it is quite a huge lake, and it obviously takes longer time to be heated, but also in winter it takes longer time to be cooled down. So usually in November I tend to come to Mälaren because the water is still warm, despite all the smaller lakes are frozen as such. Alright, it is blowing, so I'm not sure if you can hear me correctly, but c'est la vie. And yes, I'm still very busy with Eurovision actually, and I think I'm gonna reach 32,000 subscribers today. So, woohoo, let's go! That's perfect. And this spot itself, it's a rocky type of beach spot, as I call them. Not an actual beach, but anything that has access to the coast. In my vocabulary, it's a beach. If you can enter the water safely. Alright, it's time for another beach adventure with Kris. Oh yes, I didn't mention that I came here with my hybrid bike Ghost, and maybe tomorrow I'm gonna take my road bike, or if I fix my gravel bike, let's see. But it was around 8 kilometers to get here, and here come the waves. Okay, it was good that I have waited, otherwise it would have been a bit difficult. Here it is very deep. You see lots of boats are trafficking here. It's super deep here. There is even one sailboat over there that is battling with the wind right now. Woo! Right, let's go. I think the danger is over with the waves. Or maybe not. Another wave incoming. Look at that. Alright, it's been enough waiting for no waves. I need to get in anyway. Cool. Then we say ready, set, and go! The premiere for Lake Mälaren. Amazing. I can stand here actually. I thought it was deep. So, yeah, it's another beautiful lake. Well, the third largest in Sweden to be exact. It stretches through many different cities, this lake, including Eskilstuna, Västerås, a few others. Maria Fred, I think. So yeah, quite a nice lake. So yeah, I'm gonna be now chilling a bit on the beach before I head back home. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me today. Yes, I had a meeting place is actually this area, it's called Klubbfjärden, and it's the closest metro station is Slussen, the red line. And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!